Hi everybody, it's Jennifer coming to you from my kitchen to show you my new cooling vest. It's raining outside, and I also wanted to show you how to kind of put this all together. So this vest is very adjustable. I'm going to take it off in a second to show you. I love that it has reflective tape, so if you're walking, you can wear this. This isn't just for like exercise though. If you're gardening in the summer, if you're going to like an amusement park and it's super hot, this thing is great. Okay, so it comes with, I have 2 in here and this is 3. So it comes with 7 like freezer packs. And there's something in here. It's like a little bit of like, I'm gonna call it dust. I don't know what it is. You also get this funnel. There's actually 2 in here. And I just kept them together because I found it worked well. So you're going to open this part here. And when I say open, it just sort of like squeezes, like you can see right there. You put this in, and then there is a line on here to fill it up. And so I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up. So I have it filled up. And then all I'm going to do is remove this. And then this stays in, nothing leaks out. This like seals again. And then I put this into the freezer overnight, and then you have this really nice ice pack. This is so adjustable in terms of you can make this tighter here, and you can make the straps shorter. I love how easy this is to get on. It's a zipper. On the inside, you have these pouches that have Velcro. You're going to take your ice pack and put it in here. And then you just push the Velcro together and you're all set. I know this one isn't frozen, but I'm gonna show you just so you get the idea. And then you put that one in here. And you can double them up if you wanted to, but basically one fits into the pocket. So I have 1 and 1, and then 2 on the back. Now let me take this off for you. This is so great because you have the 2 nice thick shoulder straps to keep this on your shoulders, but the rest of the material is mesh. And so this allows a lot of air to get through. I also love, again, you have all of this reflective tape on all of it, on the back as well. Here's a look at the inside. You can see we have 4 pockets. And again, you can fit, let me scooch this over here, 2 ice packs in 1. Now, it doesn't close, but like if you needed to carry one, you could definitely do that. So again, it's made more for 1 ice pack in each little pocket. But the reason I was showing you that was just to let you know, you get more of these than you need. It's just you can have some in the freezer and then take them out. So I hope that makes sense. So again, super easy to put on. And also, if you're not using the front pockets for the ice packs, if you only have them in the back, this is great again for like, if you're at an amusement park, you can put your wallet in here, your phone, all the things. Great for fishing, camping, the list goes on and on. So you get this really nice vest, all of the ice packs that you fill up, and even the little spout so that you can fill it up. This is great for summer. Get one for you, get one for all of your hot friends. You're gonna love this.